the Ghana Football Association. Okopie na technical director Oti Akenteng na abetodwa say be ma baby wa me na ba pay as watch it as a technical director de ma aye ekoye abetodwa say there what the nadie na egu amobu fro abeteki over. Ron Henry Asante Chum, communications director de ma GFA na de Sanche Muyaba.
Oti contract na on FA no wono. Eye renewable every year. 1st April BI was a contract no automatic renewal. Okay, intino. Says here I know ka say match ending and a contract now or wasono ebewu. What it means is that after 31st March, say open say otwaswa, there is automatic renewal on 1st April.
Okay.
Now the executive council has taken a decision say contract new 31st March. They don't want to renew the contract.
Automatic renewal.
There will be no automatic renewal.
What dispensing?
That's not the point. And you know, Oti has been formally informed. Say, this time round, you know, say the contract new 31st. Yen chain Emma no renew bill.
Okay.
And you say, oh, chain Emma expire 31st. No, now more na mania 1st April. Automatic renewal no will take effect.
Okay.
And Nuntina, General Secretary, amano letter to officially communicate to him, say, after 31st, on year FA staff beam.
Okay.
And I'm sure by Monday or Tuesday, there will be a publication for people to apply for.
What do you feel?
There will be a Juman feeling. Ya pamo ni say, oh, yeah, Juma. Na umrenso ya yesi kofie.
Okay.
And I just feel nsem ni say wo ye adwuma na onye boni bia bia nsie yesi.
But ultimately me apply if he wants to.
Of course. Esco no take decision a me nye sure say chinchine a chia Esco no e take decision say you prefer say Bruni me technical director. There here ni obi a obeba obe help na ye streamline your football no. Na sa Ghanaian philosophy na ya kan one say we free tete no obetumi put two measures in place. Now you want that identity. Very, very important. We need that identity for our game. Coaching philosophy, coaching programs, training for our coaches. But your coaches here are coaching a Premier League. They need direction, they need guidance, they need training. That is where we want to get to.
Okay. All right. My name is Henry Asante Chumode Tuja na bibina taso director seven fancy channel so mama so channel pie the chin sem bebre na beba na the black ladies of Ghana go so aya hu sisi shronko for mo qualifier beba so no sharing so sa efa emami en sem na na toss the se fata sauti and the bucket we senior do re bia papa bia nya so pese joba no cho me producer yeto aso